What's up, guys? This is a little update that we wanted to bring to you guys to introduce you to the blog portion of our website. The blog portion is going to be bringing you tons of different updates with the intention and purpose of taking you along this journey of church planting with us. And so every month we're going to have blog posts and helpful articles. We're going to do these video updates so that you're going to know how to better pray for us, know how you can give and be a part of all that God is doing here in New York City. We've been here for like 5 months, and we've seen the team, our launch team, go from like 6 or 7 people to now between 30 and 40 people. We have been so blessed by what the Lord's doing. We've been doing interest meetings where we've found people who had never heard about us before, heard about us through individuals on the team who were inviting coworkers and neighbors, and we've been able to share the vision for the church with them. And so many of these guys have now become a part of what God is doing and are excited about the things that God is doing. God is opening up so many doors. We have begun a community group right here in our house where we have anywhere from 12 to 15 people every week coming together. And what the heart behind that is we recognize that New York City is a city that is full of masses of people, and yet there is this underlying loneliness and lack of belonging that so many people experience here. And so we know that community is important to people. Community is a pillar of the church that we're planting. And so what we're doing is we're getting our core leadership team together, and we're pouring into them, and we're giving a blueprint on how we do community groups, so that come launch day, they're going to be able to then reproduce that in the Bronx, in Manhattan, in Queens, in Brooklyn. So those who come to the church, those who are first timers, we're going to be able to from day one say, look, it doesn't have to end on a Sunday morning. You can be involved throughout the week. You can do life with individuals who go to this church. And so there are just so many updates that we could give you, so many things that God is doing, and we can't wait to share all of these things with you in the coming weeks. And so we love you guys. God bless you guys. Anything, Liz?
I just want to thank you guys for your prayer and your support for us and our family and for the church plant. So yeah, thank you guys, and keep checking back on the website and the blogs. And excited to do this journey with you guys.
Absolutely. God's doing a great work, guys. God bless you.